Welcome back. So this is the new Magic Coin website. I mean, community empowered Magic Coin website with its magiccoin.de. You have to be very careful because stupid guys from Germany have oh, what's like this? Wait. Like this? Look at that. Rolling of the Hamburg regional code. Access to this website is blocked. This is the YouTube DL thing, you know. The YouTube DL thing has been blocked from Germany. But I guess this was cheaper to have the domain from Germany. Okay, anyways, new Magic Coin community site, magiccoin.de. Let's go. We were checking some changes from everywhere. Let's see what we do right now. Let me find some music so that I can hear my own music here. 1 second, please. Nice. Oh well, I'm German. Yeah, you are German. It's easier. I know. It's not German people are not bad. It's their politicians, I guess. Okay. Let's see if I can work with any of this. Second, please. Okay, so we are back. Yeah, the thing about YouTube DL was, I guess, that some copyright songs were downloaded from there, and then as a consequence, that's a tool for the evil. You have to block it, but I don't know. I actually haven't read any of that, but I think that's what happened there. Okay, let's see if we can do some of this. So Bitcoin RPC.h, it's needed for something that I'm not very sure what this is, but it's probably some functions that are defined there that then they are used here, and that's probably something that we have not done anything about yet, so I'm not sure what we are looking for here. So let me check. Maybe today we can focus on Bitcoin RPC.h to see what we can understand from there. So let's forget about the quick check. Let's check the current code of Bitcoin RPC.h, which I think it's updated here. Nice. Let's see if we can find anything. Yeah. Okay, so there are some codes, some stuff here, some classes and some comments and so on, but which ones are we using here? That's a very different problem. So I'm not sure how I'm going to go with all of this actually. Maybe I should look at what the hell have I said here about new getcon h implementation. Okay, let me see. Comment indentation, staking comments. Block message extra debug. I'm not sure this is going to be a good idea. Let me do another thing. So here we have what was it? Bitcoin RPC? Yeah. So we have Bitcoin RPC .h with all of this. So maybe I can try to find every one of this stuff into one place first. So as you can see here, we have some enums. Okay, then there's this class here, which is also used. Some functions like the one that we have here, thread RPC server, and so on. I mean, I'm not sure this is a good idea to do, but maybe we can focus on extern. So we can say everything that starts with extern. Okay, then you can give me 1, 2, 3, which is going to be the function or whatever. Okay, and then I can just use another AWK with this and ask me for number 1. Now we have all of this. So all of this, we can turn the enters as this other thing, and we have all of this, which I can then copy and paste, not all of this because I don't want this. Okay, so I can take a look at main.h. Okay, sorry, not main.h, main.cpp, and take a look and check all of this to see if there's any of this that I should be aware of. Okay, look at that. We have some stuff here. So we have get difficulty from bits. We also have get post kernel PS and so on. So maybe we can copy and paste this in a temporary file. So the question is, my question is, we need to include this Bitcoin RPC.h for many stuff. So what you actually want to do is you want to include it for the first commit that uses this, which I have no idea which one it is. Or maybe you don't want this at all. I'm not sure about this, if you ask me. Okay, we're going to find the commit thanks to blame, which is going to be quite easy to do. I mean, quite this is a thing that it's nice to have in Bitcoin, in GitHub. So here we have version 2, which is where the branch where I'm working on. And so if we go to src main.cpp, you can search this get difficulty from bits line, which is here, and then I can blame this. Where the hell is the blame? Okay, here, 930. So we click on this, we search for 950. Look at that, get difficulty from bits. So the question is this the first commit that it's using this stuff or not? Get difficulty from bits. Okay, so if we search for this, we are here, get difficulty from bits. Look at that. Get proof of a stake reward. Match a miner instead of CPU miner. I mean, I have no idea where this would go. Proof of work has its own get proof reward function. Does anything to do with any of this? Get blocks. Get blocks. Okay, so probably there's a get blocks something here, which is the one that makes everything work here. To string CSTR, but this is not a function that it's being used. So yeah, maybe get block hash, it's here. Well, I don't know. Let's add the include and that's it. I mean, I don't know how to do this, but this should be probably found on the very start. So main.cpp include bitcoin rpc.h, and let me write down somewhere so this is going to be number 8. We probably want this last commit. We probably want to be one of the first related to main.cpp. Yeah, so probably when you say what are the changes from log, what are the changes from main? Oh, wait a moment, I was doing this right. From main CPP, so the oldest thing that we have is remove, because remove no longer use generate empty random function, so right about here we add this function for many stuff that we want to add. Okay, anyway, let's go on. One second, please. Okay, so I'm back. Let's see the chat real quick. No updates. Okay. What about the other place? Okay. So, let's go on. It's Machi X11coin, which I will do later on. Proofs of work. What the hell is this? Stake reward. Do you have a stake reward elsewhere? No, you don't. Okay, let me check the code of main.cpp. So what is n stake reward? I want to understand what this is all about. Okay, do we have any more stake reward here? Yes, we have. We have probably done a commit of this before, I guess. If this is something new. Are there any more stake reward stuff here? Huh. Let's check real quick on GitHub. Who we want to blame for this? So, and a stake reward, not this one, and a stake reward. Why the hell? I haven't written this down properly. Please bear with me. Stake reward. What the hell I have? Wait. What the hell? Oh, no. Seriously? Yeah, there's no stake. Oh, wait. I don't understand this. 1000. Okay, let's go here. Why? Okay, now it finds it. I don't understand anything. Is proof of stake is used instead of is coin stake. What the hell is this? Let me find what we have here on the right. And proof of stake is used. What the hell? Is proof of stake is used instead of is coin of stake. And then the code is moved from one place to the other one. Uh-huh. And a stake reward. And a stake reward. Okay, so maybe I can add this as number 2 from this. Something like this too. Which I think makes more or less sense. Because this should be found in the same place. Okay, so this is whatever, proof of a stake, and this is stake reward is used here. What the hell is this? This is connect block. I don't think this is related. I mean, yes, when you connect the block, which means current block under processing, you are setting this variable and stake reward to 0 and then setting up to this math equation, but it's not actually related to this, so yeah, so what we're going to do is we are going to say, let me see, minus I. I'm going to say not this, not this, not this, not this, this, and this. So this is going to be an adapt, and Mistake reward is calculated on or in where the hell are you? In connect block. Okay, that's it. Let's go on and see what more can we work on with all of this. What the hell is this? Comments here. I hate all of this. You don't want to comment stuff you have hit, you just remove the stuff and you have the history to recover it, unless it's something that... Okay, let me see. Is proof of work and POW cutoff height. POW cutoff height, which I think it's something from old Magicoin code or something. Okay, yeah, I'm going to try to work with all of this, which seems to me something, or maybe this thing here. Get proof of work. What the hell is this? Update TX index failed. Okay, so around here we have this thing that has been removed, isn't it? So let me first of all find what the hell is this. So it's not something related to is proof of stake here. Are we inside? Okay, so we are inside connect block, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's right, we are inside connect block. Look at that. So inside of connect block we have this. Nice. So we have some code that has been removed from here, which I have no idea why it was used for. So I'm going to open main.cpp from the past so that I can search for this stuff here. Update TX index failed, which is not this one, but this one here probably. Yeah, so we have this thing here and this thing here. So as you can see, we have many what the hell is this? We have this code that it's with tabs. So it comes from elsewhere, from some guys that like to use this. So now the question is, what the hell does this code? So previous hash. Yeah. So if you have a previous leaf or whatever, what's the blockchain? If you have a previous block, then you can get the block hash from the previous block, and thanks to this you can check if Okay, so if you are asking for a proof of work reward greater than the one that you are supposed to have, then false, which means that this block is not okay. So I do not connect the block. Wait a moment. That's not right. So why are we removing this? Is this something that it's done elsewhere? I mean, I should not search this here, but somewhere else, I guess. So I think this is a good idea to have, but probably now it's done elsewhere. This check is done elsewhere. I mean, I'm not sure, but that's interesting. Okay, let me add this as a commit, and then I will search for this, because I'm quite curious about all of this. So what was the code that what I was looking for? Main.cpp2. Where the hell are you? Okay, here you are, pref hash. Let me search for this so that I cannot. Okay, here there is. So yeah, so remove wait. Yeah, remove remove check for greater than expected proof of work reward. I mean, I have no idea what this is about, but you know, that's what we have here. So before going on, I want to take a look at this and search for this, because that's quite interesting. So let me search for this, because I want to know if this is something from Magicoin that has been removed. So maybe it's from Magicoin old code, or if it's something, I mean, has been removed. No, that's when there are comments. No, I want to know if this has been removed. I mean, what the hell is this about? Yeah, that's what I want to find. Okay, let's reuse this search. Oh, look at that. We have some new code. Verifier, micro Bitcoin. Huh. Hash previous block. Verify the previous, but this has nothing to do with the code that it's been removed from here. Got previous hash something. Okay, maybe I can search for this and see what happens, although I'm not very sure with so much stuff. Wait, I have managed to do something wrong here. Okay, look at that, mint coin. Yeah, so this is something from mint coin, I guess. I mean, I'm not sure. This is probably something from mint coin. Let me search here. What the hell is this? I should move all of these repos to the Machi Retro organization once I create it, but I have this mint coin code, okay, and this should have src main.cpp, okay, with this stuff here. So look at that, here it is. So this is from mint coin, and it's probably from mint coin itself because I say so. Okay, so what the hell was this? Okay, here it is. 1610. And what the hell? This seems to be one big commit. Damn it. Mint coin. This is the first commit, isn't it? 0 parents. I cannot work with this because... Okay, let me check my stuff here. Okay, so mint coin comes from grain coin, bottle caps coin, meat gems, nova coin, peer coin. Okay, let's take a look at nova coin and see if it's the nova coin. I should have nova coin somewhere. Maybe I should search above and that's it. Wait, why don't I have nova coin? Because maybe it was nova coin was not so good. Or NV. Why the hell I don't have nova coin? Maybe it was not worth it. Huh. Okay, let me try with bit hems. Wait. Why don't I have... What the hell? Okay, so bottle comes bit gems. Yeah, maybe it was not worth it, but okay, so let me search bottle caps. So what branch do I have here? Bottle caps grain coin. Yeah. Okay, I can go to the future, but not to the past. Bottle caps grain coin. Okay, nice. So maybe the question is peer coin. Well, anyways, bottle caps. Let me search real quick if bottle caps has this text here, because otherwise, so I want to check where the hell was this used. Oh, look at that, bottle caps. Does not have this thing here about the pref hash. Nothing about that. So bottle caps grain coin. So, do I have grain coin on my repos? Grain coin, yes, I have it. Let me search real quick if we have this thing here. Main.cpp. Okay, okay, okay. Look at that. So this is something from GrainCoin because it's not found on anywhere else. And I guess GrainCoin. So I should have this on the previous repo, which is bottle caps coin. So bottle caps coin should have, I mean, if this is not from a commit from GrainCoin, what the hell was this? Yeah, this seems to be grain, which is the first commit. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's right. So bottle caps does not have it, so this is you can see here bottle caps where there are more branches. One of them is the fork, the virtual fork, and that's where we can blame this to virtual commit that I made for this, I guess. Not sure very much how, but it should be here. So if we blame this, you can see here, look at that, match or changes main.cpp and related. So this is something that it's made on GrainCoin. Okay, so I can write in my own notes that okay, okay, let's try to this check was introduced. Why doesn't it like this check was introduced in GrainCoin and used again and again till Magic did not use it anymore. There is probably an alternative check for doing the same thing. That way we can, you know, that way we can we have not lost all the time. I have been looking for this. Okay, so so please give me 5 minutes, please, or 2 minutes. Okay, so we are back. Let's see. So now what we have is this comment here that says that this check is no longer used. Okay, so what the hell? Let me check more stuff here from main.cpp. So here we have this set best change, which probably, yeah, this is some change between C versions, boost versions, and so on, which I don't care too much. What I care is about this thing here, about the is proof of work, and this POW cutoff height, which I think it's from Magic Coin. So this POW cutoff height, which is also down here, you can see this is removed from Magic Coin, but I think this is something from Magic Coin itself. So let me search this on everywhere. Comments. Wait a moment. atcsecure-x11coin. Look at that. But this was official rat coin. Ultra coin 2. I mean, I have not used this because it was way old. I mean, it was more it was from the future. So you take a look at this. Wait a minute. 2015. First push 2015. So the first commit from Machi was from earlier. Wait a moment. 300. So I can say 295, 94 if I want to. So 2014, and XC2 is from 2015. However, we can take a look at this and see. You can see how this has nothing to do with whatever Machi is doing, and so I'm not sure this is. Sorry. So I'm not sure this is useful at all. Damn it. I'm not sure this is useful at all. I mean, yes, there's the kakak and so on, which is here, but yeah, this is way later than what we have from Magic Coin, so it makes no sense. Even if it's the same guy from X11 coin, which was the base for Magi. Okay. So let's search for more stuff that might be. So I think this is from X11 coin. So I have this thing here, which is this one here. So what we have here is this Magi V2 branch with virtual commits, but if we take a look here at this X currency stuff, we can see in the main.cpp maybe how this is going to be using this cut off thing. Cut off, here it is, cut off height, pow cut off height. So this is something from X11coin, from this guy, from the ATC thank you. So this is something from this guy, atcsecure-x11 coin, which is here, which is used for cutting stuff. So everything is in the same place, but I don't know. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with this. So before this, there's this printf, which I don't care too much because it's the pre-64 stuff. Okay, something related to boost version being changed. Okay, so here we can see how we are removing pow cutoff height, which is do not accept proof of work anymore. So this is where you had let me see if I can explain to you. So this is from when you had something like day 1 to day 80, you can proof of work, and some coins also said day 1 to 80 you can stake, so that there are more people doing proof of work, and then they say from day 81 you can only stake. So this is the way of doing it. So you've got this pow cutoff height, which it's a number of blocks that it's about a number of days, and then you do this. Okay, there's this comment about checking money supply, bronc money supply, and what the hell is this? Isn't this the same exact code? So this has been commented. Okay, so rejected version greater than 3, less than 3. Okay, so these are checks for the height, which are no longer used here. So, and then we have, oh, look at that, no proof of work load anymore. It's mining proof of work, and height is this thing here. Actually, I mean, and this is very wrong. I mean, not wrong, but then yeah, check money supply. Yeah, I think I understand all of this. So maybe what we can do, if we can mix these two commits here, these two changes here, which is I remove everything about proof of work, and then I add this one here. So maybe I can remove this two here, so that. But the problem is this space here, which is amazing. Why the hell do they have a space there? This is bollocks. So I want to commit this. So let me check meaning proof of work in a different way. I don't want this space here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do this. So let me search for this. So let me see how the hell do I do this. So this is main CPP from the future, and here on the bottom I have main CPP from the past. So let me remove these bookmarks here. Have I done here something? Okay. And probably this is what I want to do. And here on the future I want to do something similar. Damn it. Okay. Are we here? Yes, we are. Okay. Meaning proof of work. Take a look. Here we have a tab, and here we don't have a tab. Let me real quick. So I want to remove all of these lines here. Hide, 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 something, something. So it's probably meaning proof of mistake. So what the hell are you? Main.cpp from the top. So I want to remove the comment 1 and the proof of mistake. Okay, now let me check this to see how it looks, if I need to remove something else or not. Here it is. You can see how now we can change this. I mean, it's not right because this is on the top, but you can see more or less what we want to do. So now we can commit this. Let's see, what are we looking for, so that I don't have to looking for this, isn't it? Yes, it is. Look at that. Here there is nothing else, and now I should do an adapt, which is going to be check proof of work validity thanks to is meaning proof work. That's it. Now I'm going to copy this again so that we have what the hell is main.cpp. It's here. We're going to copy to the right again so that we have those lines that we have previously removed. And now we should have this stuff here, which is we want to check meaning proof of mistake, not thanks to check money supply, but something else. Mean. Wait a moment. I don't want this. Actually, I only want the first one, because this is probably from other. This is probably from other coin that we are not longer we are not using here. So let's search a bit. Quite curious to see what this gives us. I mean, not here, but somewhere else. Wait, what the hell? What the hell is this? Is not what I have copy and paste. Why are they removing stuff? Okay, here it is. Let me copy and let me search real quick here. Okay, look at that. Yeah, maybe I should do like this. So Magi, which makes sense. Noble coin, which makes sense because it comes from Magi. So this is something from Magi, from what I'm seeing here. Yeah. This is something from Magi then. Okay. I don't understand why it finds and then it doesn't find. Yeah, so this is some old coin from Magi itself. So let me remove it and have its own commit, because yeah. Okay, let me reload. And now I can remove these 3 lines from here, which what will happen here is that we have this proof of stake. And now I want to check for this proof of stake, which is here probably. This is the best way for searching for this. Yeah, nothing else. And so tapped. So proof of stake validity thanks to is meaning proof of stake. Sorry. So once we have this, we are able to copy again to the right main.cpp so that we have the right change here, which is here. This is going to be a comment from our friend Magi. So what's the comment? Wrong money supply maybe. Wait, what have I searched here? Check money supplies, proof of stake. Yeah, no. Wait a moment. Check money supply. Check money supply. Yeah, then this is something from Magi itself. Yeah, that's right. So okay, so I want this and nothing else. So this is Bronc money supply check added as a comment. And I think I had something for this, like new comment and so on. Comment and remove. New and comment remove. Yeah, so this is Bronc money supply check. So this is going to be new and comment, so that you know when you see new and comment that this is stupid comment that doesn't, that it's not useful for anything. Okay, so yeah, 1 hour and a okay. Please give me 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see what more can we work on. 364D, and what the hell is this? So this is a comment of reject block version. I mean, it's comment this thing, and now it's on the test net. I mean, why do you comment this and not... Yeah, you don't comment this because it was already commented. This is stupid, but okay. Rejected inversion, probably. That's what we want to search. So let's add this. I mean, I don't know. Yes. So this is probably adapt, which is we do not reject reject version -3 being, I don't know, blocks. I mean, I don't know if this is useful or not, if I'm being honest. Okay, what more do we have here? So X11coin Machi, I don't care too much about this. We can do this later on with only one comment with several files and so on. PCH message start, yeah. Testnet. Wait a moment. Are you kidding me? Here, there isn't a space here. That's why it's not the same line. Then we have different stake age. This is very boring. Okay, so cut off hide. Are we using cut of height elsewhere or not? Let's add this thing here. Where the hell? Here it is. Cut of height is no longer used. Okay. Minimum input value equals 0. I have no idea where the hell is this used, but I don't think we have checked this in the past. So this is probably related to something else that we have already done a commit, but we have messed up and wait. Let me copy. What the hell? I'm not doing this right, but I just want to copy this. Okay, so what do we have on the new main.cpp? So we have this here. What? Seriously? Why would you have this here if you are not using it? Are we missing something? What the hell? Now I'm very curious. Where the hell is? So this is Rukar Magi. But this is the very first commit from Magic Coin. Which is what I'm supposed to be using. And I'm going to search for this. What the hell? Why aren't you using this here? Are you stupid? Wallet.h main.h. So apparently this is initialized here in main.cpp, and I don't understand why is this used anywhere else. So extern, okay, so if it's extern it means that we can use, sorry, I didn't want to click there. So if it's extern, it means that we can use it from other places of the code without including main.cpp, isn't it? That's why rpc wallet.cpp is using it, because I guess that yeah, minimum input value, I guess that on the very top we are using wallet.h, which is using, where's wallet.h, which is using main.h. Look at that, this is using main.h, where this variable is defined as extern. So yeah, this needs to be set up to minimum input value. Okay, so it's not something that it's not being used. Wait, split into two chunks. Yeah, so I don't want this and I want this. So new variable, okay, so yeah, Okay, let's take a look and search more stuff. So this is X11coin Machi, which we don't care too much. This is the fucking space here. This is some changes in staking value. Yeah, so maybe we can okay, so let's forget about X11coin and so on, and let's focus on the rest of it. Current block under processing. So I want to know what the hell does this come from, because I want to know about that, about this. So if I search for this on any place, let me use this, because otherwise yeah, this is Machi. There's nothing else. This is Machi. This is from Machi. So we have a comment that is bullshit. Why the hell do we want this comment? Can you answer me? I mean, it's nice to understand what this is done, but I mean, we can remove this if we want. I mean, yes, but it's not new on comment, but I mean, I don't know how to put this, if I'm being honest. Okay, what more can we do here that makes sense? Okay, let's work. Yeah, maybe pre-64D stuff. I don't know how to do this. I mean, maybe hit diff. So if we do hit diff with everything and then I grep for this, maybe I can find if there are more files that have this thing here. How do you know from this these files are from? I mean, I think this, all of this is from main.cpp, but I'm not sure. So what about this line here? Damn it. Maybe I can search for this. So look at that. So this is from wallet.cpp. I mean, I could do one big commit with pre-64D stuff for all of the files, but I don't think it's worth it. So I'm going to just do it from main.cpp. Although I don't think, yeah, it's only the one that we have seen here. So hit diff this one here, and what the hell is this? No, I don't know what I'm looking for. Yeah, pre-64D, which is here. Is this doing anything else? Oh, look at that. This is not the same line here. So yeah, there's the pre-64D stuff, because this is, wait, money supply, trust. Oh yeah, wait a moment. Money supply, which is the thing that we are not using. Okay, let me check this real quick, because this is not about pre-64. This is about having money supply added here. So maybe I can search for money supply, and it will set best chain. Oh, look at that! Damn it! Has best chain. So this is what is being changed. And now I want to search for money supply, because there was some other place where money supply. What the hell? How many lines are? Oh my god, 1,600 and 1,900. So those are a lot of lines. Yeah, set best chain. Okay, so I guess let me check again. So best is the same thing, height is the same thing. Then we have money supply, trust, and date. And what about the values? So this is the same thing, height is the same thing. Then we have the money supply thing. Then this is the same thing for the trust. And wait a moment. And then yeah, and then you've got the date, which is wait a moment, which is the same thing, and the block time thing. Okay, so yeah, the date, which is all of this here. Okay, so okay, so this is very easy. So once we know what this is about, it's just we have to add this here. Set best chain, so that is easier to find, and this is it. Get diff cached. Let me find and adapt. And so this means set best chain print. Set best chain now also prints money supply value. And what the hell is this? Set the best chain. I mean, this printf shouldn't be only shown with debug or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so set best chain also prints money supply value. That's it. Okay. 2 minutes, please. So we are back. By the way, now that I'm checking this, what the hell? Destination. No, the nation addresses were not put here for my part. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so okay, so this is X11coin Machi, X11coin Machi, which we don't care too much. Okay, so this is how the PSG message starts, which I have no idea what the hell is this, but I think it's this, how the message starts when you send stuff. So yeah, I'm not sure if I have any okay, let me check the custom strings. Do I have something? By the way, the custom strings, I need to add the ones from I need to add the new comment one. Okay. So I'm going to show you what I have here, which is some notes about this. So this is the some of the commit custom strings, just in case you're curious about all of this. So you can see how a lot of these are removed, which means that we don't want this in the end. I mean, if we had to do something from scratch or something, we don't want this. Then you have, we replace images, we replace the ticker, we replace the coin name, we change seed, we change macro root, we change genesis, checkpoints, and so on. And then there's something about pub key address is always changed here in base 58. Change port, it's done in Bitcoin RPC.cpp usually. Replace ticker is found on these files, and replace string files, it's all of this, which usually is X11coin to something else. Yeah, and some other changes here. So this is from all the stuff, but maybe here we can add something about PCH message start, which I have no idea what the hell is this. Let me write this in capital letters because it's going to be faster than doing it in another way. Okay, so now we have this PCH message start, which is nice. And let's add this here. So PCH something, yeah. So let me split and have all of this. Hit diff cached, and what we're going to have here is this thing here. But this is for the testnet. So where's the commit custom strings? So PCH message start testnet, or the testnet. I mean, okay, we have less and less commits to add here, but it's the same boring thing as the first time. Okay, let me see. This is the space. Yeah, let's add this space. We said that we're going to do stuff. So split, and I want this cached. So this is going to be what was the? I mean, I don't know, space. I mean, what I'm supposed to do here? BNP proof of work limit. I mean, space. I mean, I don't know what to put here. Okay, so these are this stuff is from testnet. I mean, from testnet, yeah. So let me take a look at this. Main.cpp load block index. If it's testnet, please change it to this. Yeah. Okay. Do we have the same values? No, we don't have. We have the same values here on the endcoin maturity block stuff, which I'm not sure I'm going to be able to split. But let's try and see what happens here. So can I split this? Yes, I can. So so this is going to be adapt. New stick. I mean, I don't care which values are, because this is for values for testnet. If it was for the main 8, I will put it goes from 20 minutes to 60 minutes or whatever. 20 minutes, yeah, this is 10 minutes, and this is 60 days. Yeah, I mean, and now let's add the other one, which is this one here. I mean, this is an indentation. No, this is a space. Okay. I mean, this is something that is not useful at all, but it's there so that I get more crazy than I am already am. Okay, let's see, what the hell is this? Now, this is the stupid thing about the times new crisis Bitcoin something. I don't think I have. Maybe yes, maybe not. This is the Genesis stuff. Okay, what the hell? BSC type stamp, Genesis block, change Genesis. I mean, there is Genesis block, time, nonce, testnet. Oh my god, there are so many changes here. So this, I think this is the Genesis change or something similar, but you know, I am not very sure. Okay, so here we have the Genesis block, which is load block index. So we are loading the Genesis block, and here we have a lot of changes. Okay, so we have this thing here, which is nice. Let me see. Let me show it like this so that we can see it properly. So apart from the PSG timestamp, which is here, we also have some changes on block and time, which I guess is where the hell the block starts. And then there's the nonce, which I think also defines the Genesis block, although I'm not very sure. But then if false something, if true, I mean, what the hell, if true and block has hash, what the hell, if false. Okay, I need to see this with the other main.cpp because I'm getting lost. I'm not sure what this change is supposed to be. So Genesis block, please. Here you are. So on the top we have the future. Okay. And here we have the past with this stupid if false, which maybe it's something from GrainCoin or whatever. What the hell? Look at that. So if this is false, it says this will figure out a valid hash and nonce if you are creating a different Genesis block. Something, 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 something. So this means that, yeah, that this is only set to true if you are developing the coin and it's the first time you make the coin, and you want this to have a right value, and probably you print it here or something like that. However, here we are on the future, and so let me see. What the hell happens here, because look at that. So we have the same comment. This will figure out the valid hash and nonce if you are creating different Genesis block. We have the hash target something something, the while statement, and then all of this is commented. So these are debug files, debug lines from July of 95. Then you've got the same code here. So look at this. So this is very nice. So instead of setting this to true or false, what you are saying is, if you are dealing with the hash Genesis block, I'm sorry, wait. If the hash is different than the hash Genesis block, then print everything. Why the hell would you do this I mean, I can understand that you want to print the hash genesis block, but this is working the other way around, which is, wait, what the hell is this? Hash genesis block stuff. What the hell is this defined? Think hash genesis block official. Oh my god. Where the hell is this found? Probably in .h or something like that. Yeah, look at that. Hash genesis block official is this thing here. Yeah. Main.h. Checkpoints.cpp uses this. Oh, look at that. That way you don't have the hash directly in the src checkpoints.cpp, but there. Okay, let me check this again. So all of this is changing the genesis block to something else, but this is changing some other stuff, and it's not okay. So we should probably try to figure out how to work with all of this properly. Okay, let me see. So you can see how here we have block print, debug print, so on, and it starts with if false. Okay, so I can copy this here so that we can go, wait a moment, if testnet, if false, we can go here and paste all of this. So we've got printf, wait, you also have some changes here. Okay, let's try this real quick to see what we have done here. Hash target, hash target, file hash. So we have removed some stuff from the bottom, okay, but I don't care too much. I mean, this might be an error, but I don't care. So I'm going to add whatever is on the top, and this is going to be the genesis, and that's it. I mean, I don't want to think anymore about this. So I want this and this and this, nothing else. So now what I have is this. Nice. And now I can say something like Genesis. Change Genesis. What's the name? Change Genesis. Change Genesis. That's it. Okay. So once we have this, we can copy main.cpp again to the right, so that we can take a look again at this. And now we can see what the hell is happening here, where we have this change that it's not very well done here, because I don't know. If false, if true, I mean, come on. This is not okay. Okay, what the hell are you? So we have this tab here. We have the if false. and then block nonce. Let me put this here so that it's easier to read. Let's do this like this, I guess. If false, why the hell has it removed an space? If false, if false, if false. Okay, so that means that we want this like this, maybe? No. Okay, now we don't have the so we have an additional yeah, maybe that's the only way that makes sense. Unless I remove, yeah, so if I remove this one, then it means that we remove two in order to add this. I mean, it's real stupid, but I think we need to. If false. I mean, I should be able to remove the if false and put the true. I mean, why is this a problem? Let me try this again. Block on once main.cpp2. Wait a moment, I have some relaxing music. I don't want relaxing music. Or, yeah, this one maybe. Okay, so I'm very pissed because what the hell is, so if I have this genesis and I have if false, I should be able to have here if true without removing two spaces, isn't it? That's what I don't understand. Why can't I do like this? Why do I have one less space instead of... There's something which I'm not... Look at that. I remove two spaces and then I get a plus. But from my point of view, it should be only one line. Wait a moment, look at that. There's a space here. Oh, that's what I was missing here. Now it should be okay. Let me see. Look at that. Here you are. I don't understand what the hell is doing this here, but let's go with it. So hash genesis block, probably it's going to help us. Yeah. Okay, so let me adapt this. So this is going to be something like block hash different. I mean, I don't know why you would do this, but it's there. if this will figure out valid hash block time. Nonce wrapped. Block print. I mean, I don't know. Hash finishes block hash. Oh, I understand. Yeah. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Make sure okay, so make sure to calculate the new Genesis block, if there is any. Something like that. I'm not sure if this is the right the right thing, but I think this is it. Okay, let's copy to the right main.cpp once again. Let's see what we have left from all of this. Look at that. Look at that. This is terrible. So first of all, we have a space, which I can live with that. So this is what I'm going to do. And I don't understand why the hell do we have this. This has no sense unless I mean, yes, it has sense. Wait, why is there an if true block has hash? Wait a moment. If false, now it's true something. This is after the block nonce. And what the hell is this? Hash is block. If testnet. Wait a moment. Why are we adding this line and then removing it right now? I mean, we are not removing it, we are moving it to the bottom, but somehow it's not good enough for Git to figure out that this has been moved to the top. So this is concerning. Okay, let me remove. Where the hell are you? Let me remove this stuff, which is the one that makes me crazy. Let's see what hit says. Okay, so apparently this space is not good enough. Okay, so maybe I can do this like this. I mean, this cannot be it. So I have removed a space here after the if. I mean, I don't understand this. Okay, do we have any of this on the future? I mean, I don't think this is what I want to have. Okay, let's try it, and if it's not okay, we will undo the commit, because I am not very confident about this one here. So wait, yeah, it's the one about the nonce then. So it's this one here. So this is space. Added line with a tab. Okay. Let's copy this again and see if this is any better. Because otherwise... Oh my god! Why do we have a minus there? If true, minus. Okay. This is a bit split. Let me split this. Wait. No. Split. Okay, so I don't want this. I want this. I'm not sure if I have a commit string about a line or something. No, I don't. Let's remove this space. Remove line. Okay, so now we have this thing which makes me cry, because as you can see, it's stupid. So this is okay, let me see. Not this, not this, not this. I can split this. Yes. So this is at the line here, and now I should be able to have this properly, which is now it's adapt custom end time and ons values for testnet. Okay, I mean, too many comments for this stupid change that we have here. But now, oh wait a moment, what the hell is this PCH message start? This is for the Genesis block, isn't it? Let me search for this manually, because otherwise... Oh, look at that. This is very... Wait a moment. What the hell is this? This is very late on the code. The message start string is designed to be unlikely to occur in normal data. The characters are readily used upper axis, not valid as UTF-8, and produce a large 4-byte int at any alignment. Okay. I already had a comment about this, which PCH message start. Okay, let's add this. PCH message. Sorry, PCH message. Yes. Nothing else. Cached. And PCH for the mainnet. Okay. So we are about to finish main.cpp. Oh my god. This is nice. Three users. Oh, look at that. We have a lot of people taking a look at here. 3 users. I mean, it was 3 users some minutes ago. No longer like this. Okay, so X11coin Magi. What the hell is this unlimit thing? 100 line 3356 3356 more or less. So what the hell is this and limit? Oh, look at that. Get blocks. Okay. Yeah, I mean, why not? So not this, not this, not this. Yes. So this is going to be what was the name of the function here? Get blocks comment. It's 500 instead of 1000. That's it. Okay, so yeah. What the hell is this? X11coin Magi, isn't it? Yeah. And I should have a comment about this, isn't it? I mean, this is not this is replace coin or something like that. I don't remember very well. Do I have any of that? Replace coin name. Yeah. X11coin Magi. Yeah, I think I can do replace coin name. Yeah, so replace coin name. Replace coin name. I think the latest one is 4, but let's be sure. Yeah, it's 4. So what we want to do is here we want to do 5. What the hell I have done here? So number 5, perfect. Okay, so we are done for today, I guess. So you can see how there are some files yet to be. So I'm going to push this. 1 second. Okay, so so what we have done here is that we no longer have any more main.cpp change. I'm going to copy this to the right, but it should be the same thing, as you can see. So now we are left with main.h. Oh, how long is this? 2 hours. Yeah, so main.h, rpc blockchain.cpp, rpc mining, and so on. So if we do the global diff, hit diff, you can see how this is trying to use hash matching instead of hash block, which we no longer use pow-cut-off hide, which could be merged with another commit that we had before. Then these other functions here. So there are probably a number of commits that we can say 1, 2, so that later on we can merge them or something like that. This is also the Genesis block change. With, as you can see here, some values are being commented, and so we can search for this Genesis block somewhere, and probably we can find this, you know, no. Why are you? Don't you want me to help me? Okay, so let me search the whole line to see if it's any better. I mean, I think that this is something, maybe the old. So apparently it's not able to search for this on Magi. Yeah. You can also see here minimum input value, which could be mixed. I mean, mixed on the same commit as before. And yeah, get proof of work reward probably has also. Wait. Yeah, some changes here, which we can probably merge with the other commit. This is killing me. Now you have here some stuff that it's been changed without no reason at all. I mean, what the hell is this? This is how many minutes? What the hell is this? This is something useful. These are minutes. So these are, wait a moment, minutes. So minutes in a day. And yeah. And this is 16 hours minutes. Yeah. I don't know what the hell is this. Get po hash ps instead of get po of work. I mean the other one. Get post kernel ps. Yeah, I need to do this in 2 commits because otherwise you cannot see how this get post kernel has an argument here. You can see it. RPC minin generate match instead of bitcoins. That makes sense. Some stuff here which I don't know what the hell is this. Okay, whatever is this. Debug Magi. Okay, this is nice to have so that you don't have any problems in the future. Some debug related to Magi. Okay, new variable which is diff. Difficulty probably. Okay, what about util.cpp? So we have this debug Magi variable here, and then we do stuff here. A lot of comments that we don't want to have. So wallet.cpp, also this needs to have so many changes because it's something related to the Bitcoin wallet. Okay, yeah, you can see here how we've got fees, which the original create coin stake didn't have. So apparently staking has fees. Okay. Yeah, and then once we have done all of this, we still have left to check all of this that we have here in blue, which are changes, blue and green, which are changes that should be quite easy to commit because it's always the same thing. Okay, so I think we are done for today. Thank you for being here, Bastel Peachy, and I guess that bye. I thank you for being here. Okay, so bye.